Today in this video we're going to see how to build a simple LED circuit in Tinkercad. So Tinkercad is basically an online simulator which is helpful for people who cannot afford electronical shops nearby. So let's see how do we do it. So first we type Tinkercad and get into the website, and then we give this option Tinkercad create 3D digital designs with online CAD. And so we get into the website, which is the Autodesk Tinkercad. So this is the dashboard of this. So we give on circuits, create new circuits. And so we get all the items. So let me start from the first thing. So these are the basic components. We get the resistor, LED, push button, potentiometer, capacitor, side switch, a battery, coin cell, Arduino, DC motor, hobby, LED RGB, an ultrasonic distance sensor, and all these things. Okay, so first let us start from the basic circuit, which is a common LED circuit. So most of you must be knowing this. So we get the LED to the workspace and we place it here. So I don't want red, I'll go for blue. So blue is one of my favorite color. So yeah, got blue LED, and then we got the anode and cathode of the LED terminals. See, these are the terminals of the LED. So from here we can connect wires to any distant of places. So right now we don't so right now it's not required. So and then we go for a coin cell. And so we use this for turning its sides, positive to the anode, the negative to the cathode. Once the circuit is done, we give start simulating, and thus our LED is on. It's working properly indeed. So if we give stop simulation, it will stop burning, and done. So let's try the same circuit with the help of a switch. So we'll take a side switch and place it here, and then I'll rotate my battery to this distant, and then the same thing with this. So I connect the negative terminal with the cathode of the LED and the positive with the terminal 2. And then from here to the common. So now we'll give start simulating. So if it's not working, there's a problem in your circuit, so we got to check it back. And then it works. When we off the switch, it doesn't work. When we on, it starts working. So our first circuit is successful. So now we're going to try the same thing with a motor. So I'll delete all my programs. Now we'll go for a DC motor. Place it here. And then this time I'm going to get a 9-volt battery. and then try negative with the negative, and positive, the positive, and give start simulation. See, it works really good. Now the same thing with the switch. Give stop simulation. Then only delete the wires. Okay, now we give the switch in. This time let us try it with the push button. So let's try it. Terminal 2B, right here. Go to the terminal 1. And let's check it out this time. So push button, we need to keep on spamming on it. So that's known as a push button. So yeah, our second circuit in a DC motor is also successful. Okay, so let's try some other things. Okay, now let's try an LED circuit with the help of resistor, and this time we're going to use a 1.5 volt battery, which is a bit complicated. I'm going to teach you guys how to do it properly. So this is a 1.5 volt, and so before for simulating this LED we used a coin cell which was 3 volt battery. So this time we're going to use 1.5 volt. So 1.5 and another 1.5 volt battery is equal to is equal to 3 volt. So this is also equal to the coin cell, but it's a bit bigger than that. And so now we're going to get the side switch again. And then the same thing which we do. So positive, we connect with the positive, I mean with the negative. Negative to the cathode. And this with the terminal 2. And the anode of the LED to the common. And so our circuit is done, and let's start simulating it. So we got a problem. Current through the LED is 13 mA, while absolute maximum is 20.0 mA. That's why our LED is bursted. So at this case, what we gotta do is we gotta take a help of a resistor. So we get the resistor in. So we just take it and place it here, and just we need to lead the power wire. Instead we place the resistor here, then we connect terminal 1, and just with the anode, cathode. And so we're done. Now let's start simulating. So now our LED is working properly, which means our circuit is successful. So this is it for today, guys, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, And don't forget to get the notifications for more videos if you like. Bye and thank you.